The Zondo Commission into state capture has so far spent just under 1 billion rand of taxpayers' money, according to Deputy Chief Justice Raymond Zondo. He maintains that the Commission of Inquiry into allegations of state capture, which was set up in 2018, has not overspent. Zondo said, "I don't know the exact figure now, I didn't check the latest figures, but I accept that it's probably just under 1 billion rand that has been spent." The chairperson said while the commission had cost taxpayers, it was important to also note the state had recovered money from consulting firm McKinsey & Company, which was accused of playing a role in state capture. As I have said before, when that amount is taken into account, it is fair to take into account that through the efforts of the commission, no less than 864 million rand has been paid back to state-owned entities by McKinsey. Zondo, however, said the work of the commission could not be measured in rands and cents, stressing that the commission's inception was to ensure the looting of money and resources under the state capture era does not repeat itself. He further said he believed the money spent on the commission so far had been used reasonably and for important work. The costs of the commission might increase after the High Court in Pretoria on Monday granted the commission another 3-month extension until September, as it was in the public's interest. Zondo said the commission would finalize its report in due course, hoping they would do so by the end of August. Do you think the 1 billion rand price tag has been worth it? Leave your comment in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe and like this video if you have not already done so. Thank you.